Have you been searching for the best parental control app for Android and iPhone to protect your child's safety online? Whether you're monitoring their digital activities, setting healthy boundaries, or blocking harmful content, having the right app is essential. After testing numerous options, I discovered one that truly stands out: mSpy. It's the most advanced and user-friendly parental control app available for both Android and iPhone, designed to meet the needs of every parent. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. In today's digital world, parenting can be challenging, but mSpy provides the tools you need to stay informed and in control. Here's why mSpy is the best parental control app. Simple installation that doesn't require technical expertise. Works discreetly in the background to ensure your child's privacy isn't compromised. Delivers accurate real-time updates and alerts. mSpy offers an impressive range of features tailored for modern parenting. Here's what you'll get: GPS tracking. Monitor your child's location in real time. Call logs and text messages. Access detailed call records and even deleted messages. Social media monitoring. Keep track of activity on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Browser history and content blocking. View and restrict access to harmful websites. Media access. Browse photos, videos, and files stored on the device. Great customer support and human assistants are always available to help. mSpy offers flexible pricing plans designed to fit any budget. Whether you're looking for a monthly subscription or a long-term plan, there's an option that works for you. By using the link in the description, you'll also unlock exclusive discounts and bonuses. Thousands of parents trust mSpy to safeguard their children and gain peace of mind. If this video has helped you discover the best parental control app for Android and iPhone, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights and tools for parents. Use the link in the description now to get started with mSpy and experience the best parental control app available. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.